Yes, guys, good day. We are here again in Bashka. We are here to get some of the stuff, bags and stuff like that for school. But look at the frying pans and stuff. A lot of nice things are at Bashka, right? Yes, so this is the section where they have like some containers you can put everything you want to put in there. You know? These persons have to put up their stuff in these things. The food stuff, you have a nice igloo. If you're going on the beach, you can bring that nice igloo with you and your stuff, your liquor, your juice and stuff like that, the water. Wow, nice flower pots. Wow. Nice flower pots. Nice covered beach guys. Nice plastic containers. Wow. We didn't come to this section last time.
Sorry, here one. I have a call. I don't have time for this. Makes some sense. Yes, I'm not have the time. I'm honest, I don't have the time for this. I tell you. Saturday morning to text me. Yeah, I said,
Yes, that's great. Muslim rate. House rooms. That's Bashka.